congratulations to Scale Computing for 10 years of leadership in the HCI and edge computing market. We here at Ingram Micro are very happy to work with you.
Congratulations, Scale Computing, for 10 years of leadership in the HCI and edge computing world.
It is fundamentally changed computing for the better. So my congratulations to all of you for having done an outstanding job over the last 10 years, and I wish you all the best.
Wow, 10 years. Congratulations, Scale Compute guys. Amazing work that you guys have done. Keep it up. Looking forward to the next 10 years.
From myself and the entire team at Actual Tech Media, we'd like to congratulate Scale Computing on 10 years of market leadership in hyperconverged infrastructure and edge computing. And we can't wait to see what the next 10 years brings.
Congratulations to Scale Computing for 10 years of leadership in HCI and edge computing markets.
On behalf of TechPoint, congratulations on your 10-year anniversary. Our tech community is thriving in part because of your work in building a leading tech company in hyperconvergence and edge computing. Thank you, and to an even more exciting future ahead.
I just wanted to say congratulations, Scale Computing, for 10 years of leadership in the HCI and edge market. It's been so exciting to watch you grow year over year, and congratulations.
I'm Stephen Fossett from TechField and Gestalt IT. I want to give a shout out to my friends Jeff, Scott, Dusty, and the whole team at Scale Computing on your 10th anniversary. Love it when a plan comes together.
Hi, this is Lori with Acme Fresh Market, and I want to congratulate Scale Computing for 10 years in the HCI and edge infrastructures. They were perfect for our remote environments.
I want to express my most heartfelt congratulations to all of you at Scale Computing. Congratulations on 10 years of delivering hyperconverged infrastructure and edge computing. Can't wait to see what our companies do together in the coming years. Congrats.